Hey everybody, this is another update from Toadile here. Um, First off, thank you guys so much. My channel's really grown over the past couple weeks. I've hit 300 recently for a sub count, and if you enjoyed my content so far, please drop me a sub and a like, and please share your thoughts in the comments as well. Also, you can follow my game that I'm developing, QUACK-OUT, on gotm.io. Here's my promo page. It will be linked down in the description. Right now I have 3 followers, so let's boost up that count. That will allow you to basically be notified when you can actually play the game, and that'll be excellent for you. And hopefully, I can receive some good feedback for any sort of public testing I can do. Just wanted to show off some of my key art that I did. These turned out pretty cool. I basically kind of copied the Mario Strikers art style, if you've ever seen that. It's just something really quick done in Autodesk Sketchbook. So hopefully those turn out well, and also have like this cool backdrop that's like infinitely repeating patterns. So hopefully you guys enjoy that. Now on to my game. So I've been working on a couple new features. So one you see here is a speed booster. So this was pretty fun to work on. Basically, it just detects when there's a rigid body inside, and then it just interpolates the body's linear velocity to its speed vector effectively. So that's something that's really super simple, and hopefully you guys can easily implement this in any of your projects. It's very very quick and easy to do. It's basically just an area, detects when there's a body in it, and just shoots it out. So so that's kind of a new thing. Also, I have sound effects mostly complete. They're not all finalized. I still need to tweak them a little bit. And I also got lobbies finished, and I also have like a matchmaking system with game codes, kind of similar to Jackbox style games. And that's all with using Godot.io's API, which is super useful. So, like I said, this is going to be a web app that you're going to play on Gotham.io, or I'm hoping to also embed it in itch.io. So if you're on either of those platforms, you should be good to go to play QUACK-OUT. Also, there's a mobile version of Gotham.io, which I will hope to support. So that'll be kind of a stretch goal. But for launch and stuff, I'm planning to at least have it on Gotham.io and hopefully itch.io if I can figure out how to embed it. And then another new thing that I completed. Let me show off the audio. This is kind of an interesting conundrum. So I had to make sure that I could sync all the audio. So I have this this node here, audio, on the right side. You can see it has all my audio, my sound effects. And so I basically had to attach this script and basically make everything. Basically had to make everything remote synced so that it could be played on every single client, so that all the sound matches throughout the session. And then anything that sort of happens in the session, like bullets and stuff, when I instantiate those automatically play a sound when they're instantiated. So I didn't have to worry about actually syncing that. But for player audio, this was a little bit tricky, and so I kept on having to call like audio and then call this function or whatever, and made sure that everything was syncing across clients. Some things I didn't want to sync across clients, like for example, if you drop an item like intentionally, it doesn't play a sound on anybody else's, or you switch items, it doesn't play a sound on the other clients. So it's just something that's interesting to think about, and it was kind of a fun thing to play around with and incorporate into the game. Also, I have a new arena complete, and I'll show that off here. So this is my rooftops arena, and this is pretty fun to do. I have these cranes here, and they move this this metal I guess payload back and forth, and then you can like hop on and walk across it and everything. All the texturing, as you can tell, is kind of rough. It's just a world triplanar, and so even there's like this leakage right here. I might fix this, I might not. I don't care that much. and I just have a couple different building textures. Even this thing was just world triplanar, or not world triplanar, but object triplanar mapping of just this one texture, and then it's just kind of repeated. I don't know. I'm pretty happy with it the way it is. I don't need my graphics to be super well done, so I'm probably gonna keep it the way it is, so that I can just at least release my game. You know, if you take too much time on the minute details, it can impact the final release of the product, or you can actually cause yourself burnout. And at the pace I'm going at right now, I don't want to be burnt out on this. I want to make sure it's a nice quality game, but not excessively so. Even the background's a little bit plain, and we'll get into that. So let me go ahead and actually get this fired up. I'm gonna try. You're gonna hear duplicate audio because I'm watching multiple windows, so hopefully that won't be too annoying. And I'll try to mute that as fast as possible. I'm gonna move my other client to a different screen just so that's out of the way. All right, awesome. So one client's already muted, so I'm gonna just increase that volume just a hair. There we go. Awesome. All right, let me full screen this, and I'm going to go ahead and start up a lobby, and I'll host it on this side. And so I got these game codes working. I'll show that off, and I'm typing in the game code into my other client. Hopefully I can show you guys this. Yeah, there we go. So I'd hit join, and now both clients are ready, and I can actually vote on a map. And so I'm going to show off the new map, and you can basically choose a vote on each client, so that's kind of fun. The host can actually start the game if they want to right now. I might change this later on. Now we auto start, and we got this little cool panning around the map here, and then we count down, and here we go. So now we got both clients up, and so you can actually see the other players in action, and you can actually see this all the cool like fake 3D effects that I've worked hard on to make using the add-on for octahedral imposters. So it actually looks really cool, and you can actually see me blast this guy in action there. Yes, I did the Quack voices myself. I might try to record some actual audio of that, of ducks or whatever, but I don't know. It sounds good enough to me for now. And yeah, so hammers still work kind of like Mjolnir from Thor in Marvel movies or whatever, and so that's always pretty fun. I don't have any new items, but I do have this speed booster, and I'm gonna wait for this platform to come back, and I'm gonna show that off. Still got the egg mode, of course. So I'm gonna land up here. And I actually do need to pick up some health. I accidentally had lost some from the other client shooting me. So yeah, this is kind of how the map is laid out. There's going to be some cover over here for this side, and not as much cover over there. I do have the names showing up now for each player and the health bars and everything. So that was good. A good way to show how much damage you're doing. And yep. You can also, just kind of have fun around the map and egg mode. And egg mode is really fun. I'm just saying, like, it doesn't get old. And then, I guess also, I got the score up there. And so actually I will trigger the victory screen, and you can see that in action. Let me I have my my point count set to 10, so I'll just cover that really quick. And I do have kind of a soft aiming functionality, as you can probably tell, where I can zoom in just a hair, which was requested just because like these are fairly big enough maps to where like it'd be useful to have that feature. So I decided to implement that in. It was pretty quick. It was just a quick FOV slide. So I did tweak all of the guns to make the bullets faster because they've been slow in the past. All right, let me quickly finish off this guy and get to 10 points. can see that I'm on the blue team, and my blue counter up there on the top is going up to 10. So there's 9, and where did he go? There he is. So then we get kind of a slow-mo. That was kind of fun to work on too. Slow-mo ending screen, and then it transitions back to the lobby, and here we are. So yeah, I think that's pretty much all I'm gonna have to show for you today. Once again, please subscribe if you're interested in this game, and also follow the game on Godot.io with my promo page with the link down in the description. I hope to talk to you guys later. It looks like enjoying the next match. All right, hope you guys have a wonderful week.